Hello everyone and welcome to our platform that is Pendulum EDU, and in this vocabulary session we are going to discuss yet another article with you, and the article is based on the Italian marine case that India has faced as of now. So it heads as lessons for India on Italian marine's case. So first of all, what a marine is, it has two different meanings. You can use it as noun and as an adjective. If it has two different parts of speech, which means it will have two different usages. Okay. Also, it can have two different meanings. Now, very first thing, if you see here in the usage, it is used as noun. In this particular sentence or phrase, you can say, it is used as a noun. Now, as a noun, it means a troop or a group. Okay. Deployed on sea. Like we're talking about the soldiers. Okay. Now, as an adjective, marine is something that is related to sea. So anything, they can be marine ships, okay? They can be marine drives, right? So anything that is related to sea in form of an adjective can be used, but as a noun, it will be a troop or a group that is deployed on sea. तो यहाँ पर we have used as noun. तो यहाँ हम बात कर रहे हैं soldiers की. Alright. So Italian Marines. Now let's see what they have done. The Italian Marines case meets with a disappointing end. Now this disappointing here is an adjective which is qualifying the noun subject end. Now why this end is disappointing? Disappointing का मतलब हुआ यहाँ पर like full of sorrow or dullness. Like whenever we get disappointed, we get dull. We feel dull about what has happened. So here I can quote it as something that is full of dullness, okay, disappointment. तो हिंदी में we say जब हम निराश हो जाते हैं, right? That is something that is full of disappointment. हिंदी में one word if I give you, it would be निराशाजनक. Okay. Now here another point that I want to highlight or accentuate is it is Italian Marines case. If you see the usage, the apostrophe used here is just the apostrophe sign and not an S attached to it. The reason is whenever you have a word, whether it is singular or it is plural in form, doesn't make a difference. You have to make sure if it has it or if it ends with an S, then you would just use the symbol of an apostrophe to express possession. So, for example, if a person's name ends on S, Vikas, so I will say Vikas's house. That's it. This is exceedingly important, which has been asked n number of times when it comes to error spotting or sentence improvement. तो इस point का हम ध्यान रखेंगे ताकि if ever we encounter any such case, we can easily get through it. Moving ahead, it said it meets with a disappointing end as India loses right to trial. See, right to trial. Trial is what? हम क्या कहते हैं? Trial noun है. Or if I give you the meaning, trial means, and I would say an investigation or a formal examination. ठीक है? जांच पड़ताल करना किसी चीज का, right? This is now a formal thing, formal examination of something, or you can say a formal examination of the proofs by the judge. Okay, that is a trial. So now India has actually lost that opportunity or that right, the trial. That is why it is a disappointing end for us as Indians. Now it says a long quest for justice. Now this quest, long quest for justice, what is it? Now quest is also a noun and it means a search for something. A long search for something. जब हम किसी चीज़ को ढूंढ रहे होते हैं, that is a quest. Okay. Now, a long quest for justice. क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं हम? Justice. For the two Kerala fishermen shot dead by Italian marines. Now, this is what they did. They actually killed or they shot them dead. That is two Kerala fishermen from the Enrica Lexi. Now, this is the name of that marine place, about 20.5 nautical miles off India's coast. Now, when I say nautical miles, this is a of measurement. Unit of measurement for sea or for in terms of water. Okay, and 1 nautical mile is equivalent to 1852 meters. All right. Okay, so this is the place they are telling in February 2012 has ended in disappointment. This was the case of 2012, if you see. An international arbitration court. Now, arbitration, if you have heard of an arbitrator, who is an arbitrator? Someone who comes for settlement, or you can say a settler. Let's say there are two parties, okay, and they have a dispute. उनके बीच में कुछ मतभेद चल रहा है, or you can say there's some problem. So a person who is there to settle the dispute is an arbitrator, and that process is termed as arbitration. So when I say an international arbitration court, here that's a noun. Okay, so we were talking about arbitration. So I said it's a noun and you can relate it to arbitrator. Arbitrator is one who settles, and this is the process of settlement. In Hindi, you can say बीच बचाव करना या मध्यस्थ करना. That is what arbitration is. Court has ruled that India does not have jurisdiction to try the Marines. Who? Jurisdiction, they don't have the right by the court. उनको कोई law के तरफ से judiciary right नहीं है by the Marines, who it held were entitled to immunity. Now, entitled to means, this is a verb used here. It means having right to something or having a privilege. ठीक है, कोई हक होना. All right, that is entitled to immunity. Immunity here is used as protection. It's noun and it is used as protection. Okay, so they are saying that they don't have the right to immunity as they were acting on behalf of a state. Okay, the Permanent Court of Arbitration (PCA) in The Hague admitted that both India and Italy had concurrent jurisdiction in the matter. Concurrent is an adjective. It means existing at the same time. एक साथ. Okay. Jurisdiction in the matter, but concluded the Marines' immunity precluded India's jurisdiction. Precluded means actually it had, this is a verb here, make, nullify something. So it has precluded India's jurisdiction. Who has precluded India's jurisdiction? The Marines' immunity. In India's favor, the PCA found that the Italian vessel had violated the right and freedom of navigation of the Indian fishing vessel under UNCLOS, and that the action, which caused lots of lives, property, and harm, merited compensation. So it is merited compensation. It is asking for compensation or add on. Okay, added to ask for compensation. Moving ahead, the article says it asks the parties to consult each other on the compensation due to India as a result. Okay. Now, because of India, they have or taking India into consideration, it has asked both the parties, that is India and Italy, to consult each other on the compensation, to consult each other to compensate and settle it right there. Okay. So another important point to actually accentuate is that each other is used when you're talking about two parties or two things. For more than two, you use one another. See, grammatical concepts are things that if I just tell you, probably you would hold it for now and you would forget it the very next day. So it only comes in your speaking, okay, if you constantly use it every now and then. Okay, I don't know how many of you have that habit of writing. If you write, if you like to write, but if you tend to speak or converse even, then also you can put this into use and in constant use. Only then vocabulary can be imbibed because you don't have to cram it. रटने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay. So, more significantly, the PCA rejected a key argument by Italy that India, by leading the Italian vessel into its territory and arresting the Marines, violated its obligation to cooperate with measures. Now, वो कह रहे हैं कि that, see, first of all, it led the Italian vessel into its territory and then arrested the Marines. So, by doing this, India has violated, matlab, gone against the laws, okay, and it has broken the rules or breached, okay, its obligation. Now, obligation means a right, or you can say obligation could be something that you are supposed to do or you are meant to do. That's something that is important, that is imposed. You have to be doing it. To cooperate with measures to suppress. Suppress means to, this is the verb, to hold down. किसी चीज को दबाना. That is suppress. So what is suppressing? To suppress piracy under Article 100 of UN clause. Now, obligation to cooperate with measures. ये उनका उनको ज़रूरत थी. They were supposed to. मतलब ज़रूरी था ऐसा करना. That is an obligation. कोई चीज़ जो बहुत ज़रूरी है, important है to do. Okay. To cooperate with the measures to suppress piracy under article. तो उन्होंने violate कर दिया ये obligation. Now, this may mean that the arbitration court did not view the incident as one related to piracy at all. The incident had caused national outrage as the public saw these wanton killings. Now, the incident had caused national outrage. Outrage is used as noun here. और यहाँ outrage का मतलब है exceeding, or you can say fierce anger, जो बहुत भयंकर गुस्सा होता है या anger, that is fierce anger. Okay, so outrage, it has caused outrage. Why? Because the public has witnessed these wanton killings. What is wanton? Wanton is an adjective. Wanton means something that is provoked. Okay, something that is provoked. It has मतलब आपको भड़काया गया है, and because of that, all these things have happened. So wanton killings. In as much as the circumstances indicated no attempt by the fishing vessel at piracy. The fishing vessel was within the country's contiguous zone. Contiguous is an adjective, it means something that is attached to. So boundary पर होना, boundary line. कोई चीज़ जो boundary से लगा हुआ है, okay, that is contiguous. And it was quite clear that the offence warranted arrest and prosecution under domestic law. Prosecution means to law charges against someone. This is noun, ठीक है, जो कानूनी कार्रवाई होती है. With the piracy angle ruled out, a regular trial was in order. अब कह रहे हैं जब piracy angle हट गया, rule out is a phrasal verb and rule out means to eliminate. Okay. A regular trial was in order. The Union government should have taken over the prosecution and ensured a quick trial. However, as legal tangles were being sorted out, tangle is a noun here. जैसे क्या होता है, गांठ बन जाती है, right? That is the tangle. Were being sorted out, and India was dealing with the diplomatic fallout. Now, diplomatic fallout is the result or effects of a political action or a political thing. परिणाम जिसे आप कहते हो, ठीक है, results or effects. The Marines managed to obtain orders to leave the country. So when India was dealing with all this, the Marines they managed to get the orders and they left the country. The Supreme Court ruled that only the center and not Kerala can prosecute the Marines. Now, this was another thing that either the center, Kerala cannot prosecute it or them, the Marines. A bigger legal issue which caused more delay came later. The National Investigation Agency invoked the suppression of unlawful acts against safety of maritime navigation and fixed platforms on continental shelf 2002. Now they are saying that they have invoked the suppression of unlawful um, acts against safety. Now वो कह रहे हैं कि जो NIA है they have tried or they have urged, कहते हैं ना किसी को इन्वोक करना प्रोवोक करना, ठीक है, इन्फ्लुएंस, ठीक है, किसी को लाइक व्हेन यू इवोक समवन फॉर समथिंग, आप किसी को भड़का रहे हो or you call for something and they are calling for the suppression of unlawful acts, okay, against the safety of this particular act. This caused a diplomatic furore. Furore is a noun. It in Hindi there is a simple word that is hangama. In English we say chaos, or you can say some sort of conundrum, or you can say hullabaloo. Now these are words which are asked in one-word substitutions as well, as it provides for the death penalty. Okay, after getting to know this, this was another trouble. So this has caused a furore as it provides for the death penalty. Agar you go against the safety of this particular act, then it asks for death penalty. The EU threatened to impose trade sanctions. Ultimately, it took time for these charges to be dropped. It took time to settle these charges down. The PCA's award, which is final and has been accepted by India, is a huge setback for the expectation. Setback matlab ye, this is a noun. Setback is a noun. Okay, is a difficulty. Okay, कोई मुसीबत, कोई trouble. For the expectation that the two Marines would face a criminal trial in India. In the end, Italy succeeded in taking the matter out of India's hands. It should now make good on its commitment to have the Marines tried under its domestic laws. The takeaway for India should be the lessons in the legal and diplomatic domains that can be drawn from the experience. वो कह रहे हैं कि जो भी takeaway, these are nouns, which means the points that have been discovered, important things that they have learned from the experience should be taken as lessons in the legal and diplomatic domains by India, and they should take it as a lesson now. So this was the article that was between India and Italy, and the two fishermen have been shot dead. So the actions against the Marines, Italian Marines, is what they have discussed, and how Italy has managed to take the matter out of India's hand. This is what has been discussed, and it is high time that India needs to realize and learn through this that where the lacking actually is. So these are the words, and I hope that you would practice them and go through the synonyms and antonyms for the same. I'll see you in the next session with more such words and articles. Thank you so much.